Tea is one of Taiwan's signature products, but legislators are worried that new pesticide standards released by the nation's Food and Drug Administration will tarnish the reputation of Taiwan tea. The new standards allow 12 times more of one certain fungicide on tea leaves than in Japan and 60 times more than allowed in the EU. And lawmakers demand a rethink of the norms.
The Food and Drug Administration has increased the maximum amount of pesticides allowed in local agricultural products. But while vegetables can be cleaned to remove pesticide residue, tea is a different story.
If you suddenly ease up on the pesticide limits, that may hurt our international image because it would say that Taiwan allows pesticide residues on its tea leaves.
The legislators were especially worried that allowing 6 parts per million of the fungicide fluopyram on tea leaves when it was previously banned would hurt tea exports.
Fluopyram has been used on longans and lychees, but they were fruit, not tree leaves. Tea leaves are tree leaves, and the ratio of pesticide residue on them that can affect human health is totally different than that for fruit. Who wanted pesticide limits to be eased? It was the pesticide vendors, and during the process, the FDA did not consult with farmers or consumers. The 6 ppm was based on field tests of tea leaves in Taiwan. I just noted that everybody's food intake is different. For example, with rice, because we eat a lot of rice, we demand that the standards for rice are especially strict.
Legislators immediately jumped on the officials' words, noting that Taiwanese also consume a lot of tea, and they urged the FDA to withdraw the weaker pesticide standards. The Health and Welfare Ministry said it would hold a meeting of experts tomorrow to discuss the concerns that have been raised.